model of the excretory system and viewing the video on it, we are now going to get into our tasks that we have to complete. So for you group 1, we are going to do this puzzle. You are going to make it back. What are you building?
Excretory system.
Very good. So everybody must work together and fit back this puzzle to get back our excretory system. Okay, that's for group 1. You over here, you are going to do an individual task where you are going to match the parts of the excretory system to its function. Do you know what are functions? Yes, their work. Is that so? So you are going to read and you're going to match. And then we have group 3. The two of you here is a paired task. You call this a paired task. So you're going to work here and you're going to label what for me?
The excretory system.
Excretory system. Please write in the labels or as a key. Okay? Everybody understand what you have to do?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started.